How to use Quick Share on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to wirelessly share files with nearby devices on your Android device. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. After that, swipe down again to fully expand the Quick Settings menu. From there, look for the Quick Share tile and tap on it to enable it. At this point, if you don't see it, tap on the pencil or edit icon and add it to your Quick Settings panel. In the next step, open the Gallery or Files app and find the file you want to share. Following this, tap and hold on the file to select it and tap on Share. Once done, select Quick Share from the sharing options. From here, your device will start scanning for nearby devices that also have Quick Share enabled. At this stage, tap on the recipient's device name from the list that appears. After this, the recipient will receive a prompt on their device asking them to accept the incoming file. Finally, once they accept, the file will be transferred wirelessly and saved directly on their device. And that's it. If this Samsung guide helped you share files using Quick Share, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.